last forever. Alright, so what we have first,
decided to go with the Freedom Bouquet, and what we have here are all the items that are needed to make our bouquet. We have the artificial stem, the lamb's ear, the lace, the string or twine, the shoot, wood flowers, and a hot glue gun. Our first step is to glue the artificial stem to the wood flower. You need about maybe a dollop, but not a big dollop, of glue, and you stick the artificial stem into the glue. Wait until it hardens for 15 seconds or more if needed. Now we're going to do the rest of the flowers the same exact way. Hot glue. Please be careful with the hot glue gun. It is hot, so be very careful. You also have to be extremely careful with these flowers because they're very delicate and can rip. So when you're handling them, please be very careful. Next, we're going to put the artificial shoots on. All you have to do is slide the flower that's attached to the metal stem and just slide it right through the shoot. Arrange the stems as needed or to your desired taste. Next, we're going to take the string and wrap it around 2 times and tie it in a knot to make sure that the bouquet stays together. After that step, we're going to take the glue gun and put it around the string, and we're going to put the lace around that, and we're going to wrap the lace around the bouquet as well. And at the end, once you're done, you're going to put the rest of the lace.
and this is how you make a bouquet from Sola Wood Flowers, and you can rearrange and take out whatever you want, and I mean, I think it's pretty. It's not your ordinary bouquet, but these flowers last forever, so you can put these in a vase, you can put them in anything you want, and nothing will happen to them. Now be very careful with these because they are very delicate, just like a real flower. But here we go. Alright. Thank you guys. Thank you Sola Wood Flowers for collaborating with me this week. And as I say all the time, stay awesome and stay safe, everyone.